Once upon a time in the small town of Sunnyvale, there was a unique little school named Kids Learn. Unlike any other school, Kids Learn had no traditional classrooms or rigid timetables. Instead, it had various learning pods, each dedicated to different subjects like science, art, and history, all set in a lush green park. In the heart of Sunnyvale lived a curious boy named Toby. Toby, 8 years old, was fascinated by everything around him but hated sitting still in his old school's classrooms. His eyes would wander out the windows, dreaming of exploring the world outside those walls. One sunny morning, Toby's mother told him about Kids Learn. His eyes sparkled with excitement at the idea of learning in a park. The very next day, Toby joined Kids Learn and was thrilled to choose W. Here he wanted to start his day. He picked the science pod, where Mrs. Lana greeted him with a smile and a small telescope. Today, we'll learn about planets and stars, she announced. Toby was captivated. He spent the morning peering through telescopes, asking questions, and learning about constellations. The hands-on experience was thrilling. In the afternoon, Toby moved to the art pod. There, amidst brushes and colors, he expressed what he'd learned in the morning on a canvas. His artwork showed bright stars and beautiful planets, swirling in a dance of colors. Months passed, and Toby's enthusiasm for learning grew. He was always on the move, exploring new pods, meeting experts, and collaborating with other kids. The unique teaching approach of Kids Learn nurtured his curiosity and made learning a joyous adventure. By the end of the school year, Toby wasn't just knowledgeable about many subjects but had also become a problem solver, a creative thinker, and a team player. Kids Learn had not only educated him but had transformed him. And that was the magic of learning in a world without walls.